adds 3 extra IR layers. HLIR, THIR, and MIR. Ooh, the trilogy. Most trilogies suck in successive lowering steps. Still, these extra layers are related to type checking and safety mechanisms, e.g. the well-known Rust borrow checker. Okay. Cool. Cool. The parenthesis here, Rust claims that there are Rust-specific optimizations done at the MIR level that will, in the future, impact performance significantly. I have found a list of such transformations, but I could not assess nor prove that the performance impact is real or just rhetorical. My post on Reddit asking for comments on the subject has also not produced any conclusive proof either way, so even the experts are on the fence on this one. I feel it was more wishful thinking on the part of the documentation writer at the time. Very interesting. One thing that I will say that I really do like about Rust and what it can do is these iterators are zero cost abstractions. When you look at like the compiled stuff when it comes to an iterator, it's pretty neat to be able to see that your filter, map, whatever can all just run inline. Like to me, that is a really nice experience in my book. I really enjoy that because typically, like if you're from a JavaScript language, you forget that the closure's created, the function's created, a new array is created, whereas you just get less stuff created and at zero cost for those type of things, which I think is super cool. Iterations are a huge Rust W. Exactly. I really do love that about Rust, and I feel that that is like a super under-championed feature of why Rust is really cool, and it's easy-ish to write well-performing code. But this is where the similarities end. I need to recall that this publication is about low-latency trading, and as our trade-offs when deciding if something is worth it, will always lean towards the item that leads to performance increases. Okay, so this is super cool. Low-latency trading requires you to be making decisions as soon as possible, so nanoseconds matter here, which I think is pretty exciting. I love this idea. If we were a company that produces web servers or web browsers, then the conclusions below would probably be a different nature. Okay, very exciting. Performance is not only instruction by instruction execution timestamping. Before one gets to the actual instructions, an entire pipeline of human and machine interactions come into play. Some of these factors will be discussed below, beginning with the safety toll. Assuming for a second that both C++ and Rust are compiled within the LLVM framework, is any of the two languages able to produce IR that leads to faster execution in all situations? Okay. Good question here. I like where this is going. I actually really enjoy like this line of article. Rust tends to be more strict than C++. It's raison d'etre. And that means more real-time checks. Although integer underflows and overflows are only checked in debug mode, memory accesses in arrays are constantly checked for bounds unless you're in unsafe mode. Oh, I did not know that. No, that makes perfect sense. That makes perfect sense. Of course it has to, right? Is that true during production too? Okay. Which defeats the purpose. Those checks alone take significant toll. They slow down the process compared to the retrospective, naturally unchecked C++ code. Yeah, but you can get unsafe. Okay, so the argument is that, yes, if you want speed to that level where including the bounds check on an array is a significant toll, right? Significant toll. Therefore, unsafe would be the answer to this question. Okay. But is that an apples-to-apples comparison? Well, yes. If you're going to list the safety of Rust compared to C++ as a pro, then it's just as fair to list the performance hit of such safety in regards to execution speed.
Audio quality?
Great. Great take right there. You can't list it as a positive on one. That's a fair-ass take.
I'll turn that off. Let me play some musics. Go ahead and get some musics going. How about okay, cool. Creator safe mode is on. Okay. How do I play something? Wasting time. How about that playlist? The little thing. Let's explore. Catalog. Damn, there's a lot of moods. Choose moods. Choose amped.
stood my
Oh my
ground.
gosh, that's loud.
I've been working way too long just to tear it down.
Super loud. Okay, sorry about that.
Hold my head up high
Okay, I'm working on adjusting my stream settings.
into my eyes, I scream it loud.
Fresh haircut, thanks, brother. My hair is fresh and haircut, looking fine. How's it going, some ginger kid? How you doing? I'm just working on my stream situation. I just installed NVIDIA Broadcast. It's supposed to help me out with removing noise from the
As I fall from the clouds, as I push my legs, they hold me to the ground. Hold my head up proud, as you stare into my eyes, I scream it loud.
Okay, yeah. But the real reason is because when I install that, I should have it available in OBS. I guess not. Well, maybe I gotta restart OBS, but then I'd have to restart the stream. Good learning strings, cool. I can't work besides my friends though because the Visual Studio on my computer doesn't have an output or a terminal. It doesn't have an output or a terminal. What? Every computer has to have a terminal, man. Dude, bro. What is going on? Severely confused right now. Maybe it's like a, what is the Chromebook? Oh, you know what I gotta add is stream elements. Cause also let me delete this icon. I don't like icons on my desktop. Can't have that. Okay, I need an audio source. Holy crap, why is that? Why is it so loud? There we go. Okay, let's keep it low. It's one of those old Dell desktops. Dang. I don't know. Yes, sweetie, how can I assist you today? I don't have the waifu on here because I don't have the text-to-speech at the moment because that was on my laptop and I just factory reset it. It's almost done. It's at 94%, but it's been resetting for like 2 hours. Okay, I'm gonna look up. Let's do chatbot. Streaming tools, overlays. Here we go. Okay. I need an overlay. Fireball animated super theme. I'm like, I guess I was using this one before. Also, is my stream lagging? Because I straight up upped the quality to 1440p. Is video buffering? Use low latency toggle under the advanced menu settings to disable low latency. I want low latency though. Is the quality upped on the stream? Oh, it is a little bit higher. Interesting. We tried a USB and it didn't work either, so now I gotta sit between all the girls. Nah, save me between girls. Dude. Girls aren't real. I've never met a girl before. So I don't know what you're talking about. That ain't me. That ain't me. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh man, dude. My girlfriend's gonna be pissed. How does this? Okay. Preview. So if I put this on my stream, let me see. Let's do browser source, stream elements. Am I not supposed to share this? Oh my gosh. Well, does it really matter? I don't care that much. This is supposed to be 1080p, I think. Edit. What is it? 1080 by 1920? I think that's how it works. No, it's 1920 by 1080. Here we go. Control audio and OBS. Why not? Whoa. That is ginormous. What happened? Oh my god, dude. I'm sorry about that. Holy balls, dude. Why does it keep resetting the audio levels? I'm gonna die every time it switches songs. I am so sorry about that loudness. Okay, I guess that fixes the stream elements. Are these like all disabled? Is that what's going on? Snapping. They're all introverts, so they sit there all tense doing their work. Dang, dude. That's tight butthole right there. Super tight butthole. You know what I'm saying? No problem, I got your earbuds low. Earbuds low. Okay, that's good. I wonder how I turn on these things on. This widget, labels widget. Does it appear on my stream? Oh, wait, I don't see anything. Oh, I think if I save it, does it just appear on my stream? Save. That didn't do anything. What is the point of all this? Alert Twitch box, labels, with group. Piece of crap stream elements. You know what? This is why everyone's leaving stream elements, I guess. Literally can't even. Toggle visibility. Let's emulate. Oh, okay. Let's add alerts, stream tools. Okay, basically this doesn't work. Whatever. The save, I don't know. Session data. Session data? At least that's kind of cool. That kind of works. Dude, no, the Yoda death scream. Damn it, dude. I need to add the sound alerts into the stream. Okay, let me add the sound alerts. I'm adding all the sources back in because this is like a new install of OBS. All right, let's streamer login. Anyways, I gotta go to bed, so have a good rest of the meal. All right, sounds good. Thanks, Ginger Kid. Thanks for coming to the stream. See y'all next time. See y'all next time. All right, well that's in that case, I'm gonna play an ad. Holy shit! I gotta make this an audio source. Is there a Monster Cat app? Because if this is gonna switch audio every single time, I'm gonna die. How is there not a Monster Cat app? Monster Cat app. Okay, yeah. There's an app. Let me get that installed. Monster Cat app install. Install Windows. Monster Cat desktop player. However, Monster Cat's an app now. However, it's broken. Oh. It's a phone app. Okay, well then, I am going to create a... if you want to make an app out of a website, here's a little trick. A little trick. Wait, is the ad over? Stream channels. Okay. Let me move this thing. Okay, move over here. I don't think that's gonna work, huh? Okay. Move it there for a second. Chat. How's the stream? Okay. I'm still gonna add the overlay alerts. How do I add it? Setup. Here we go. I use OBS. Okay. Drag and drop this into OBS. Okay. Nice. Okay, let me... Okay, I think that's all I gotta do. And... Properties. Control audio via OBS. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Slowly knocking stuff out. Okay, dokie. Nice. Comments unavailable. The hell? Did I actually accidentally make comments not allowed on my videos? Switch account. Let me make sure.
Hey, the 6 phrases that show.
Oh no, we're good. Okay, cool. Simul shift web.
Hey, the 6 phrases.
Hey. My channel. Just making sure that comments aren't disabled. Okay, cool. Okay, looks good to me. Welcome to simulation. Yeah, sure. What channel is this even streaming on? I have no idea. Simul shift, switch account. Okay, it should be on Shimel. Shimel shift. Go live. Shimel. Okay, switching accounts again. And okay, let's make this into a web app so I can control the audio in OBS. Shall we? More tools. Name window. Is that what it's called now? Nah. Dang, they changed the UI on me. More tools. It used to be under more tools. Now it's under something else. Let's see. Extensions. Bookmarks. Maybe it's bookmarks. No. Downloads. Is it this? No. Settings. What the hell happened? There we go. Create shortcut. Save page as create shortcut. There we go. Open as window. Monstercat player. Boom. There we go. Boom. Pin to taskbar. Why not? Would you like to pin? Yeah, sure. But we already did. Let me restart. Man, what happened to this icon? Unpin. And pin. There we go. Let's just do it like that. Okay. Sounds good. Let's go back to the player. Nothing's happening here. Explore. New music. Top 30. Alright. Okay, that's loud. Let me add an audio source. Add audio application audio capture. Yeah, let's call this Monstercat. How about that? There we go. That'll fix it. And then... Oh, man. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Now you can hear it. Nice. Yeah, I got new streaming. I mean, I'm using my computer. I'm streaming directly on my computer now. I'm not using a capture card anymore. So I might not have things tuned quite right. If you know something off, please let me know. I'll fix it right away. But yeah. I just installed OBS, so I had to like, it was like completely empty. Had none of my stuff in it. And yeah, okay. But so far this is cool. I think even because I'm streaming directly on the same computer now, I think the video quality is a little bit better. I hope. It should be 1440p now. Before it was only 1080p. So maybe that's neat. Computer. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can see the face pixels better. That's cool. That's cool. That's good. I wonder why my other computer was so bad. Maybe because I was streaming from a laptop. Possibly the culprit. Possibly. Okay. Well, I think I got everything set up now, so I think I might just go to get on the... Holy crap. How does Monster Cat keep messing shit up? Okay. Let me Google that, actually. Let's see. Monster Cat resets volume. Menu function I finally like. I found out how to maximize my laziness. Oh, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Maximize some laziness. Hell yeah. Volume resets full after... Hey there. So I'm not sure if you had your solve right now, but this is actually something I've struggled on with Tidal app. Unfortunately, this isn't a solution for me. Damn, the music is getting louder every time. I know this was a year ago. Let me see. Come on. To use high quality instead of hi-fi. Other than that, you just make change volume on Tidal. Why are they talking about Tidal? I'm not even using Tidal. Shit. What's creator safe mode? Click to display all tracks, including tracks not available for content creator licensing. Monster Cat has changed? Damn, dude. I don't want to hear sad stories. I just want to fix my little issue. I wonder if this can actually capture the audio. Huh. Maybe I didn't notice it before because of other reasons. Okay. Well, the music gets really loud for no reason. I'm sorry about that. I have no idea why that's happening on here. I wish there was an app for this new playlist. What's so cool about it's called draw text, and it takes in a structure called text. What's so cool about this text structure is that it has a bunch of options for rendering text, but it has default options defined in the structure. So the compiler will fill those automatically if I don't set them. Oh. So the compiler will fill those in default. Is that like a C++ feature? Wait, is this in C++? Monster Cat resets volume. Oh god damn. Now we're he's resetting to 50. Okay. Whew. Ooh, new streaming setup. Sorry, y'all. Yes, in C++, I can do this, and whenever I make an instance of this object, either on the track or on the heap, it doesn't matter. Spec text cons. Highlight UA opacity. Okay, cool. Yeah. It's good to have sensible default values. Everyone loves sensible default values. If you're the person consuming an API anyway. If you are debugging the API and then default values are literally the worst thing to ever come into existence. But, you know, that's just how it is. If string length is 0, it will call a function calculate string length for me, for example. Got it. Sounds good. But yeah. Default values are cool if you are consuming the API, if you are consuming it. The issue with default values if you have to debug is that what happens is if you get an error or something, or maybe you don't know where your error is, and you're using default values. You know where I'm getting at? If you have an error and you're using default values, you know where I'm getting at. You know what happens? You know what the reason why that makes that really hard is because you don't know if the default value is an error or it's supposed to be that value, because when you error out, it just shits out default values. If it doesn't, I mean, like if your computer didn't, if your program didn't crash, but otherwise, it errors. You catch the error or whatever, so the function can't execute, and then you end up with a bunch of default values because you never get to the lines of code that explicitly set the values. And the issue with that is that you don't... Holy shit, Monster Cat. Every time. You don't know if it's an error or the default value is supposed to be that way. Or... Yeah. So like if you didn't have default values and then you see like n equals 0, the only possible way that could happen is if it didn't get set somewhere because of an error. So basically, you know whether you said something or not on purpose, or if it errored out by accident. Anyways, that's just a little spiel. I mean, like you probably won't run into that, so you'll be fine. But like, just a heads up, you know, if you see a default value and you're having an error, you might not be setting the default value correctly or something like that. But yeah, how about we do some Unity development? Let's get in there. Let's hop right in. Let us hop right in. Yeah, I bring that up because like there are a lot of issues at my job. Damn, dude, where default values fuck everything up, and it just takes so much longer to figure out what the hell happened. Because you're like, is it supposed to be that, or was that an error? And you have no idea. Alright, how about we get into it? Let's see. How about we fix the fireball? Because I made the fireball animation. You gotta see my fireball animation. It's gotta be cool. It's gonna be the coolest shit you've ever seen, dude. I'm telling you. You're about to see the coolest shit known to man. Bob 123. How do I turn the volume off just for this? You know what? There's a way, isn't there? That might work. That didn't work. Okay, let me just turn this off. Turn off. I need a way to manage the volume here, because it keeps getting reset, and it's giving me a heart attack every 2 seconds. Okay. Monster Cat. The reason I'm using Monster Cat is because it's copyright free music. You know what I'm saying? I gotta open up the back end, man. What am I doing? Let's open up that tasty backend. I gotta fix this. What in the world? Whoever thought this was a good setup literally needs to rethink every life choice ever. Okay, let me fix that. Cause I really like this feature of Windows, but you gotta make it work for whatever you're doing. So this is the fancy zones. That's what it's called. Fancy zones. Where are you? Here you are. So this is a cool feature in Windows. I recommend it if you're not using it. But let me fix the zones. The zones. How do I fix the zones? Here we go. All right, let's do. I need a. Usually for developing. Oh, there we go. Another heart attack. Turn that down. Stupid ass Monster Cat player. Okay. I want to switch. Okay, this is the one. Dude, what in the who? No, just ain't. These are the. I couldn't think of worse setups even if I tried. Half and half. All right. So basically, dude, how do I merge? Merge, click and drag across zones. Okay, merge. Yeah. All right. So I just want something, simple, just like that. There we go. It ain't rocket surgery, okay? So now I should be able to just. Is it working? It ain't even working? Oh, man. Fancy zones. It just died on me? Dude, don't even do this to me. Windows, you piece of work. What happened? Turn it off, turn it back on. Okay, there we go. That fixed it. There we go. Now we can just snap stuff. Okay. There we go. What's Vindua? Have you guys seen the Bobber video? That's going viral. Where the dude is just yelling at the beaver. Oh, Windows in Danish? Got it. I wonder if this is gonna be loud. Hold on, let me try something. Let's see. I'm going to switch my audio setup just a little bit over here. Sorry, there might have been an echo for a second, but I gotta turn down. I think I gotta turn down the Monster Cat. I need a way to selectively lower this volume without wanting to. There's got to be a Chrome app I can get. You know what? There's definitely got to be a Chrome app. I wonder. What profile is this? Oh, it's gonna switch back into loud. Okay. Manage extensions. Get more extensions. Okay, it's this one. There's gotta be a volume extension. Volume booster. Here we go. This sounds like the play has been added. Here it is. To give an extension access to the site, click it. Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah. Let me Perfect. Okay, this is perfect. Now I can adjust this. Okay, cool. There we go. This is dark mode. Nice. Okay, I am happier. I'm a lot happier. Okay, let's get rid of this monster cat thing. Okay. Okay, well, what was I doing? I was gonna... Oh yeah, I was asking if you've seen that Beaver video that everyone's watching with the Polish guy. I think the guy's Polish in the YouTube video. What's the... Let me run this thing. Is this gonna work? I think so, yeah. Just run it, no errors. I got my fire spells, casting fire, fire spell. Oh damn, dude, I got pre-roll the ads again. Alright, see you guys in a second. Alright, let's get back into it. Scripts. Put my scripts up here and let's just open stuff. Join, boom, lol, sheet. Okay, I gotta fix the range on this. Okay, let's go ahead and write that code. There should be a range. It should show the range when I hover over it. Okay. I think that's all on the front end. So once Rider opens, plugins update installed. Okay, GitHub Copilot. Do I have Copilot chat yet? Chat. Nope. Okay. Let's get that working out. Move this a little bit lower. Closer? Okay. So really close. Sideways? Okay. I need to... So this has got to be make static. Let's do... I'm going to close all these windows first of all. This is going to be in the Ray controller. What did I name it? Ray Manager? Oh my gosh, sticky keys don't doing it. No. Ray Manager. Raycast Manager. Okay. Wait, this isn't it either. What the hell? Ray controller. Okay, here we go. So, hover a card. Highlight tiles in range. Yes. This is what I gotta figure out. I can't press. Okay. Windows in Danish. If you're still there, X-Men list, do you know if my stream's like choppy at all? Or lagging? Perchance? Or is it alright? Okay, hopefully it's alright. Let's see. Highlight tiles in range. Unit effects. Why is this in the unit effects? Okay, whatever. If card is not a movement card, return. Well, that's not what I want. How about a switch case? If card is a movement card. I am questioning this implementation really hard right now. This is, dude, this should be done with polymorphism, right? I think whenever I start using a switch case, I'm like, dude, should I use polymorphism? Highlight tiles in range. But then this would have to be in the card class, which is fine. It should be in the card class anyway, so what the hell am I doing? What the hell am I doing? I guess it's because the highlight tiles function. What the hell is this? I should be using this tile.math. The Manhattan distance? Okay, whatever. How can I refactor this? Your MyFi script while enters being in play mode. Do not show for the solution. Hey, I don't care about that. I need to put this card inside. I need to put this in the attack card class. And what I should do is have like a hover material. So like it would be public material, card, hover material. And then instead of doing all this stuff, all I would do is do I have the... I could like programmatically assign that. Let's see. Let's make a private start. Hey, how's it going, Crunchy2 Fag Veil? How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Add new keyword. No. The hell? What is that? I've never seen that syntax before. Anyways, let's set the card hover material equal to... Well, that's one long ass way of doing this. I guess only the board has the board materials, huh? Is there no other way for me? Maybe I should write like a helper function thing to grab game objects on the board. That might be a cool idea, actually. Honestly, why didn't I think about that? Why didn't I think about that earlier? Like a little helper class to snag objects in the scene. Well, one day we'll do that. But now this shouldn't take anything. Okay, how am I gonna refactor this correctly? Highlight tiles in range. There is a way to do this. Why is get component in red? Oh, this, you mean in the attack card? Oh, wait. A bunch of stuff's in red. A bunch of stuff, all the stuff in red means that expensive method invocation. So that's what all this is, expensive. So like, at some point I should probably optimize this. I should do like, I should only do get components like sparingly. But you know what? if I don't notice a huge issue, then it's fine. If I need to start optimizing, then I'll start optimizing stuff. But for now, you know, I say we don't worry about it too much. I got a life to live. You know what I'm saying? This is do you do Unity development? Gotcha. Yeah. This is the writer. So let's see, car.uniteffects. I have a uniteffects class for this. Is that what this is? Oh, yeah, that kind of makes sense, I guess. But what makes even more sense is, let's see, I can do something like, because this is a unit class. What's the huh? I kind of see the issue now. Why I kind of did it this way is because I need a reference to the actual. Wait, do I? No, I don't. Basically, I want the card class to handle highlighting stuff in the game. Because if I go to the game, right, you can see like stuff gets highlighted. Like that. When I hover over them. And I'm trying to make it so the attack cards also do the same thing. Not just like the movement cards. And I'm looking how I did the movement cards. And I'm looking at it. And I'm thinking, I don't know what I was thinking when I wrote this code. So that's the problem. I need to fix this code so it can like easily scale when I add new stuff. Otherwise I'm gonna end up with like a, if I do like, if a card is movement card, I'm gonna end up with like a bunch of, I'm gonna eventually end up with a ginormous switch case. And then I'm gonna feel like a dummy. So I'm trying to avoid that with like some object-oriented polymorphism shenanigans. If I can. Okay, if I go here, I have the unit effects, get unit effects, and yeah. So like, if I were to refactor this, I wouldn't use the unit effects at all. I would use the card directly, and I would be like, boom, highlight tiles and range. So maybe I should have like a card effects class, but maybe I won't worry about that for now. Let's see. Let's just do public void highlight tiles and range, and then let me go to unit effects. I'm gonna snatch. Let me delete this, and I'm gonna snatch this function, and I'm gonna just slap that in here for now. Just put it in the attack card class. Whoa, hit my phone. Put in the attack card class. Okay. I think we're getting there. I think we're getting there. So this is a highlight tiles function. It takes a range and material. So this takes in the highlight material, and then the range is going to be that. Okay. So actually, you know what? This should be in the parent class, because this is like this is pretty generic. So I think we can safely put this inside the parent class. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to slap that in here. And then let me put in the references. Is within range. Where's that function from? Is within range. Manhattan distance. This is static. This is a static thing. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this function too. Just slap them all in here. Why not? We just slap them in. A quick slapper, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. Reconnection is successful? Did I lose connection? Did the stream cheese out on me? I'm sorry, guys. I don't know if the stream cheesed out for a second. I'm gonna make this a static class inside the tile class. tile dot. Do I even have a tile class? Well, I can't put it in a tile class if I don't even have one. I'm just assuming I have a bunch of shit now. Okay. I guess if I don't have a tile class, I'll just put it in the board class. Like one step up of the abstraction tree. Let's see. When I go to the bottom, get tile at point. I'm not even using that, but okay. Highlighted tiles dot add. What's highlighted tiles? What was highlighted tiles supposed to be? Unit effect. Why am I maintaining a list of highlighted tiles? What the hell? Okay. List of currently highlighted tiles. Okay, let's also slap this in the board class. Try to make things a little more organized. Clear highlighted tiles. Let's also do this in the board class. Clear highlighted tiles. Sure. And then the board, bet tile at point. I think that's in here, so I should be good. Okay. And now my units effect class is basically empty. Start. Don't need that. Don't need any of this. Dude, this class is basically empty now. Well, it is what it is. So now we have card.highlight tiles in the range. We still need that to be a thing. And is this an abstract class? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna make an abstract method here. Public abstract highlight tiles in a range. And that should allow me to call it here. Okay, yeah. And I don't need to pass anything in. Yeah, I don't need to pass anything in. So this is a lot cleaner. This should be like amazingly cleaner. One second, one moment. Okay. Should be amazingly cleaner. Let's see. Highlight tiles at position is still not a thing. Highlight tile at position. Highlight tiles. This should also be in the board class. What am I doing? Okay, let's just do that in the board class. Let's do it all in here. Highlight tiles is within range. I'm gonna put that in the board class also. Slap them all in here.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows.
Oh my gosh, dude. I thought that was part of the song. I was like, what the hell is going on? It's literally my other computer trying to add a cool backtrack to the music. Okay, I'm gonna pre-roll the ads real quick. I'll be back in a minute. We're gonna play an ad. Real quick. Alright, scan. We got some stuff. Can't do this for some reason. New serializable point. How'd that happen? Get tile at point. New serializable point. Can't do that. Maybe it just needs to compile. Attack card. Highlight tiles. Highlight tiles in range. So I need to. This is a. Go to the board class. Highlight tiles at position. Highlight tiles. So is that? I think that's supposed to be a static class. Can this be static? I don't think so, actually. Let me see something. Is this static? No. Could it be static? Get tile that point? No, this can't be static, huh? Okay. I gotta rethink some stuff here. In local function declaration. Oh wait, I'm missing shit here. Okay. I need a reference to the board still. Card hover material. How can I get a reference to the board in a way that's clean? The rate controller. Back card. Unit effects. What is static in here? Is within range. And then the card is an error also. Because, okay, too many of those guys, okay. And then this is an error because I don't have that. Okay, got it. Clear highlighted tiles. So this should really just be currently upward card. Yeah, this is a shit show. Get component.unit.get component. Oh my gosh. I'm not having any of that. Let me see. I have a reference to the board in this class. I've got to, right? Board materials. Yeesh. Okay. Okay, let's just add the board in here. Private game object. Or let me see. Let's just do board and then board like that. And then in here, let's just do get component game board. Okay, cool. We get that. Where'd that error go? This should just be none of that. This should just be board. Clear highlight tiles. Got it. Okay. One more error down. We still need to figure out how to get reference to the board here without doing a fat call like this. Fat call right there. Fat freaking call. Let's see. What is the play? This should be in the parent class. So if I go to the card, parent object, let's give it the board in here. Let's just go ahead and give it a reference to the board. Public board. And then in here, we're gonna do get component board. Sounds good. Good enough. And we don't need to do this anymore because we can just do board. Okay, a little cleaner. We're getting there. And now we can just do board.highlight tiles like that. Theoretically, at least. Highlight tiles in range. Theoretically, that's how it's gonna work. Can I see my stream health in here? How is my stream doing? Streaming, drop frames, dashboard, live, excellent, live now. It says it's excellent. Stream quality excellent. How reassuring is that anyway? Video, team, home. Okay, well, good enough, I guess. Oh my gosh, no wonder, dude. I am also streaming it in there by accident. Turn all of that off. Events, video storage, team. I think I'm just gonna close this tab. You just close dockable window if you would. Oh, I'm good. Okay. That should make it things a little bit less laggy, actually. A lot less laggy. Alright, fixing some stuffs. So I'm feeling good about this. We're cleaning up the code a lot. It's getting a lot cleaner. For sure. For sure. Highlight tiles in range. Still an issue there. Let's go to the board class. Why are we not liking it? Hides inherited. Oh, this is supposed to be override? Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. One more thing down. This should be public. Got it. Gets highlight point. We'll make it private. And okay. Okay. I think that's it for the errors. Let me see. Let me turn this off. What's this? Oh, I need to. Okay, yeah. Let's implement that function. Public override void highlight tells in range movement points. Got it. Okay. We should be in business now. We should be in a lot better business now. Like way better business. This actually might just work now. For like everything. What's this? Unit effects on highlight tiles on click. Got it. Okay, let me see. Card listeners? Yeah, this needs to be different. To do, if attack card, do not highlight tiles or maybe even make the card randomly. No, I don't want that. Highlight all the tiles that a unit can move or attack to. Okay. So unit effects is no longer worrying about that function. I guess all I gotta do is hard dot highlight tiles in range. Yeah, I think so. I think that's all we gotta do. We don't need the unit effects anymore. Unit effects was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. I don't know what I was thinking when I wrote that, but we refactored it. This should just work, I think. Thanks to handy dandy polymorphism. Okay, what is this? The keyword new is required on start because it hides event function. But I want it to be an event function. What are you hiding? Oh, is it the one in the card class? Oh. Wait a minute. Is that not allowed? It just hides it though. It's not a big deal. Okay, that is a chat GPT or let me copy this. When messages seen is related to the usage of the new keyword in C# and object name. Okay. Oh yeah. This is it. The warning, in your specific case, it looks like you have a class called, and in the derived class, you define a method named start that has a new keyword applied to it. This means you're intentionally hiding the start method from the base class, and the warning is just informing you of that. Here's a simplified example to illustrate the concept. In the above code, the new keyword is used to hide the start method from the base class. This is often done when you want to provide different implementation of method in the direct class, but you want to be explicit about the fact that you're intentionally hiding the base class. Oh, so it's just to tell someone they're hiding a function. There's a lot of keywords in C#. However, if you want to override the base class instead of hiding it, you should use the override keyword instead of new. Okay, let's just add the new keyword. It's not like we ever gonna call the start method anyway, so shouldn't be an issue. Unity calls the start function. I don't. Beautiful. Oh, no warnings, no errors. You know life is good. Okay. Yup. Whoa, just kidding. Now we totally fucked some shit up. Okay. That is not supposed to be happening. Let's see. Null reference exception. Alright. What line? What line are we talking? 100? Null reference exception. In the rate controller. What happens? Over here, board.highlight tiles. What is it not about? I gotta go to the first error because sometimes the first one causes all the other ones. Okay. Board.board materials on attack material. So the board is not initialized yet. I guess? Let me go to the card function. Huh. It couldn't find the board. There's a board game object here. Is it because the order? Why is this start method getting executed first? It should be the other one. I'm pretty sure the board is null for some reason. Unless, oh, you know what this is? No, wait. If I go to the board object, the board materials are there. Okay. Yep. Let me ask. This is a ChatGPT question. How come Unity isn't calling the parent class start method first? You will call both child classes start method in that order. Well, they call the parents classes start method and the child classes start method in that order. It's more to note that Unity automatically handles that. It handles that for me. Then why? Well, when you're desperate, you gotta turn on the debugger. I mean, I'm not that desperate, but this seems like whenever I get a null reference exception, it just sounds like a debugger kind of situation. You feel me? Let's see what's actually null. Join, we hit the debugger. Is the board is null, so that means this isn't finished doing stuff for some reason. Okay, there is a way I can get around this, but it's not a way I could like call the parent start function in the base class in here, but that sounds like I shouldn't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? Because ChatGPT said Unity calls the parent start function first, unless ChatGPT's on drugs. Which, you know, I'm not ruling out just yet. Okay, I'm gonna start complaining ChatGPT. Then how come the child board is null when I initialize it, when I grab it in the parent start function? Explain it. Public board. Someone's got to do some explaining. Someone's got to do some explaining. Maybe this function just isn't done. Is this like asynchronous or something? X turn? Okay, execution. Use my effect when the star method of different scripts are called. Make sure that the script containing the star method where you're trying to access board is executed after the script that initializes the board. You can adjust the script execution in order. Do I have to do that? Dang. Okay. I guess one thing I can do that's kind of hacky is I could do this one on enable. I could use on enable here instead of start. That still seems kind of wrong. I want to do it the right way, you know? Card animator. Okay, let's just do on enable. I feel like an asshole for using on enable, but whatever. Whatever. Times are tough, I guess. Okay. Let's have this recompile. Ooh, there's a little bug here. Oh, that was cute. Oh, let me see. Can I disconnect for a second again? Well, this is annoying, but whatever. Alright, I'm putting a breakpoint there, and if that breakpoint never gets hit, I know there's something fishy happening. Something cheeky is going on here. And I gotta get to the bottom of it. Something's a little cheeky's happening. Start. Okay, it's getting hit. And let me go step down. And it's there. So why is it null? Why is it null again? What? Hold up. That's because every card has their own instance of the board. Oh. Okay. And then, oh, damn. A bunch of null reference exceptions again. A bunch. Okay. Now I'm just... Okay, let's keep playing some music, though. What happened to music? Music died on me. Keep it coming. How about this? Silk? But, yeah, actually, this kind of makes no sense. Oh, no. Is there a board reference in here? No. No, that ain't it. That ain't it. Actually, I am a little... Just adjust the script execution order, I guess. Get the script execution order real quick. But let's get this music playing again. I think I scuffed the music somehow. Refresh. Okay, toxic. Hell yeah. Lines. Let's go to catalog and then mood. finding the mood. We gotta be in the right mood. If I go to the script execution order in here, please turn that off. Project settings, script execution order, and I put, what is in here anyway? Player.hand animator. Okay. I guess I can add the card into here. It's supposed to be in here. This? Is this really the right way to do this? If this fixes the issue, I don't know what to say. Scripts in the custom order can execute before or after the default time. All other scripts execute at the default time in the order they are loaded. Even if this works, I'm not gonna feel good about that. Let's see. Okay, that still didn't work. What the hell? Oh, wait, no. Huh? Unchanged? No. Am I setting it to null somewhere by accident? Let me see. I can see, look at the usages. Let's try to cut down on bandwidth a little bit if we can. Because I think I keep disconnecting. Okay. Let me go to my handy dandy scene switcher. If I go here, the board, we got a board script, and it's called the board. It looks good. Highlight tiles empty. Yeah. Wow. I actually don't know what the heck's happening then. Now I feel like a total scrub. I feel like a little scrubby scrub. Because one thing I could do is just set a reference to... I could just like, instead of using GameObject.find, I think I could just like set this reference by serializing it in Unity. Actually, you know what? That's a good check. I could just not here. Let me go back to login. I could just check the inspector and see if it's actually null in the inspector. Why didn't I think of that? So let's go ahead and do that. Go here and okay. Let's go to the game manager and the player cards. I need to see the hand and I need to look at all the cards and I need to make sure that they have reference to the board. And if they don't, see that one? Why does this have fire spells? What the hell? Spellmaster? All of these look good. Board, board, board. Is player 2 scuffing stuff up then? Then maybe I'm just wrong on this whole thing. It's all there. The basic bow doesn't have a spellmaster, but I don't think that is a big deal. If I go to attack card, is this only? Is this? Let me see exactly what script's complaining about. We are indeed in the attack card. Am I referencing fire spells anywhere? No. Highlight tiles in rain. Wait. This is the star method. That's. Is it the star method? No, it's this one. What? The keyword new is now redundant because it hides nothing. Okay. Alright, let's just pre-roll and add one more time. One more time. Okay, I switched to 1080p. We lowered the resolution just a little bit here. But it shouldn't prevent me from starting disconnect. We'll just do 1080p. I tried going up, being a little fancy with 1440p. Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. Am I feel like a little laggy? Nope, I think we're good. Okay. Yeah. This should be better. No? Damn. Even lowering. Even lowering the resolution ain't helping. Alright, let's just roll with it. What was I? Join. Start. Hit that breakpoint. Board is probably null for some reason. Is it? No, it ain't null. Boom. Wait, it was null? Oh. Something in here. Get complete. Oh. This is something else. Oh my gosh, dude. So why was the error saying... I'm gonna get rid of this. Remove that. I mean, I could probably remove this other stuff too, but... Now I kind of... This makes a lot more sense. This is definitely an error. Because the board script doesn't have a unit. Doesn't have a unit. So... I'm just gonna pass in the grid position to here. Let's see. Highlight tiles. This is going to be a serializable point. And we're just gonna do this. Grid position. Yeah, we don't need to do that. Okay. And then we're gonna go to... This takes in a grid position, so this is gonna be unit owner unit dot grid position. And then we're gonna do the same thing for whoops. We're gonna do the same thing for the attack card. Grid unit dot grid position. Something wrong with my bitrate? Okay, I think I can see on my stream what is wrong with the bitrate. Let's see. Restream says I'm good, I think. I think. The bitrate. Your bitrate is out of the. Please set the bitrate value less than 5,000. Huh. As out of recommended for Twitch. Okay, let me do that real quick. I thought it would had to be higher. Okay, we'll set it to 5,000. All right. Set the bitrate to 5,000. Oh, I think I did have it at 4,500 before. You know what? I should probably just set it back to. I should set it to 4,500 then. Set it. Okay. Maybe that was the issue. Okay. We are slowly getting this stream figured out. Sorry guys, I just switched my setup to a different computer, so I got a new computer. I got a brand new computer. So we're refiguring out the Switch settings real quick. The Twitch settings. Real quickly. No big deal. Okay, we should be in the green. We're in the green again, I think. Okay. Okay, cool. Wait a second. Your bitrate. Still seeing my bitrate is out of the range. Set it less than 5,000. It's literally at under 5,000. Literally under 5,000. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm going back to the music real quick. Guess the music took a dump on me. Let's go to amped. Go to amps. Get the knockout. All right. Hells yeah. Where was I? Unapplied script execution order. Apply. Okay. I think I fixed the issue. I think. I got sidetracked for a second though. Let me double check. Attack card, use that grid position, movement card. Grid position is there. Okay, cool. And let me go back to the card. I'm gonna change this back to start. I'm not gonna use enable unless I have a good reason to use on enable. And then I think that's all I gotta do. Okay. Let's try this out. We should be in the money. Damn it. Okay. This is giving me issues still. Alright, let's just set a breakpoint. Let's just set a breakpoint. Bobber. The board's null. Why is the board null? The board. Hard hover material. Do I really need to do on enable? Do I? It's a call stacking here, right? Okay, we're going back to on enable. Literally null in a bunch of places. I am really surprised about that. I am kind of surprised. Okay. Try again. We're hitting the breakpoint, and this time the board is not null. Okay. So I had to use on enable this whole time. Oh my gosh, but look at that. Okay, cool. It's working. Yes. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful highlighting. But I needed to highlight when I also click on the card. But beautiful. 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 Look at the range on that mage. Look at the range. Fireball the shit out of everybody. Fireball the shit out of everybody. Let me just make sure. Let me see if the fireball still works. Bam! Look at that, dude. He lost a little bit of life. Should have made him lose like half of. I should murder somebody. On animation hit has no receiver. Are you missing a component? On animation hit, attack 1 has no receiver? That has to do with the animator. Okay, I think I know what the issue is for that, but let me slap that in ChatGPT for some potential clarity there. But I'm pretty sure to fix that issue, I just need to make an empty method in the unit class. Unit. This should probably be in the units effects class, but okay. Public void attack 1, and then just nothing. Debug .log. Got freaking wrecked by a fireball. You know what? If I go to the unit class, or is it the unit controller? Maybe this is actually a good use case for that unit effects that is now empty, but now it doesn't have to be empty if I can just load it with all the receivers. You know what, dude? That is a great idea. That is actually a great idea. But why isn't this not great? Oh, no usage was found. Okay. Yep. Is there a Unity decorator for receiver functions? Unity doesn't probably built-in decorator or attribute specifically designed for marking receiver function for animation events. Unity typically uses the method name itself to link an animation event to a specific function in a script, as it relies on the method name matching the event name. Right. And then you set up. However, you can implement your own custom approach to make this process more organized and maintainable in your project. For example, you can create a custom attribute or use naming conventions to identify receiver functions. Custom attribute approach. Then you can mark receiver message. Okay, we can do that. The reason I'm wondering about this is just because these are going to be grayed out, because the way these get called are going to be on special animation callback events that the IDE just doesn't know about because it doesn't have visibility. But you know, it's not too big of a deal. I was thinking about adding this to tell Ryder, be like, hey, that's gonna get called somewhere. But you can establish naming conventions for receiver methods. You write a script that iterates through the methods in a component and matches them. That is a way, I guess. That is indeed a way. What was I gonna fix? This tag one? Okay, let's just see if this is illegal. Join, bam. Let's walk this guy up a little bit because he needs to get in range, and then still Stark made animation hit on animation attack 1. Animation event hit. Okay. This should be called hit, actually. Okay. Animation events are weird things. Weird. Little funky. I'm still learning how to do animations. I specialize in backend development. So I'm just saying. I know how to do the networking stuff. I'm good to do networking. Let's see. Go up. Get freaking wrecked by a fireball. There we go. Looks good. These are as far as I can tell, these are basically callbacks for you to play audio, is what the purpose of these things are. And they get called in animation, so like events that I guess you apply to the object, like the animation object. What are they called? The blender? Those blender objects. They're like, let me see, animations. I think they're called FBX files. Those crazy Blender things you make in Blender for your game. I gotta learn how to use Blender. I installed it, never used it. Never used it. One day. They are somewhere. Materials. Okay, well, you get the idea. Let's just continue on. That's all working. The next thing I gotta do is can I play? This is the game. My keyboard hotkeys died on me. Okay. I think we're in a weird state in the game because I did something funky. But okay, now we're good. Why is the button way over there now? Okay. What I wanted to test out is I don't think my fireballs actually shoot diagonally, so we're gonna. Oh, what the hell? I didn't implement that, did I? I did not expect the diagonal to work. Oh, it works because the dude rotates when he attacks. Oh shit, that's pretty cool. Why is he like crip walking? What the hell? It's like dancing. Are they all doing that? This guy's doing it too. Oh, they're getting hit. It looks like they're just doing like the, what is it called? That one dance, the Bernie or whatever. Okay, I gotta figure out why they're. It's because we go to animator. Okay, let me go into the scene. Let me look at the archers dudes and figure out what's going on. Because they're not getting hit, but they're getting the animation hit. So I'm gonna go here. Let's go to their animator. Idle, and then get hit. Get freaking wrecked. So my conditions are messed up. Okay, there is no condition. And that is an issue. Okay, let me fix that real quick. The condition is Get Hit. And that's good. This is empty also. Get Hit. Okay. The dancing was fun, but we gotta put a stop to that. We're gonna put an end to this nonsense. But it would be fun to, you know, implement dances into the game. That would be freaking awesome. Dude, just to like piss off your opponent as much as possible. Do a dance every time you wreck them. Oh, hell yeah, dude. I'm excited about that. I'm excited. Okay. Also, okay, so the fireball just works too, diagonally. I was gonna work on implementing that, but I guess it just works. So, what's the next thing I gotta do? Should I... Maybe I should just end the stream there. Okay, that's probably a good idea. Okay, I'll just end the stream there then. Let's go ahead and raid somebody. Thanks you guys for coming to the stream. Sorry about all the network issues I was having. I am setting up this stream. I think I figured out the
all
correct
of this and have like a
bit rate though, to avoid those disconnections. But yeah, thank you for coming to the stream. Let's figure out who we can raid. Let's find someone who has the same amount of viewers as I do. Let's see. Oh, we can raid Sean. Actually, one of my friends, I met Sean at TwitchCon. I mean, I knew him before that, but we met in person at TwitchCon. So, we could raid Sean. Let's just see. Programming. What is this? I want to raid someone who's doing C#. Ideally. This person has a waifu. I'm intrigued.
Return box.
It's a dude in a waifu.
Duplicate element. The item is already
Dude, I got baited.
The method
I
returns
straight up
false
got
and does not
baited.
throw an exception.
I got jebaited
Okay,
on
but
that one. Okay.
That's stupid, but shouldn't be the case.
Easy debates. Who else we got? Aaron the code. Alright, I'll rate Sean. Sean Retro. I was gonna rate him anyway. Who else is cheesing it right now? Alright. Alright, thank you guys for coming to the stream. As always, this is the Simul Shift. Cheers, my friends.
Pretty much non-stop.
Did it work?
And it was some of the worst debugging I've ever had to deal with. But thank you so much for the raid.
Oh,
How was your
okay.
How was your stream?
Cool.